Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find old friends on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go ahead and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have spotlights, where you can chat spotlights of some videos. You can see stories, your camera on Snapchat, and in the bottom left corner, the location and your chats on Snapchat. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find old friends on Snapchat. So to find an old friends on Snapchat, you can go to do these 7 things. Search by their username, so you can go and search in the search bar by their own username. Use their phone number, you can go and type in their phone number to find it. You can upload their snap code. Look in the suggested friends area, so that is a good way to do it. Just go to the suggested friends area and you can look them up there. You can install the Yubo application on the App Store or Google Play Store, and you can check your friend list. Also, you can use the nearby feature. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.